Hello, in this video I will guide you how you can insert website symbol in PPT and website link to that symbol. It's pretty simple, very easy. Let's get started. First you need to go to the insert and click on the icon. Make sure your computer must be connected with the internet, and after that you need to type website under the icon tab, and here you can see that website symbol. Click on that and it is inserted. Place it wherever you want it, and if you want to insert another symbol, what you have to do is go to the insert, click on the symbol, and here you need to select the SEGOE UI symbol drop down and select it. And after that you need to select the private use area, and here you can see that website symbol is here. You just need to insert and close, and you can make it small or bigger as per your requirement. And now you need to select it and right click, and after that click on the hyperlink, and here you can type display text. For example, I'm writing Wikipedia, and here you need to type the address www.wikipedia.org. so you can copy your website from the URL and click OK, and now you can see that the link has been inserted. So what you need to do is you just press the control key and click on the Wikipedia and wait, and here the website is opened in the browser. So in this way you can easily insert the website symbol and link to your desired websites. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.